Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new repository in GitHub and upload files. Open up the browser and you have to open the GitHub. Now go to the right side of your PC and click on that button. A small format will be open. In this format, you will click on your profile button. After clicking, a new format will be open. Go to the left side of your PC and screen, and here you will see a button of repositories. Click on it and then you have to tap on this new button here in the right side. After clicking, your new format will be open. We will just create a repository. For this, come here, write the name of your repository. After writing the name, scroll down and click on this create repository. Tap on it. Then you can see you can easily create a new file and upload an existing file in this repository. Click on upload an existing file. After clicking, you will see this window. Tap on this choose your files, and then you can simply choose your file and simply tap on this open, and it will start uploading in this repository. Once it's uploaded, scroll down and you will see this button here, commit changes. Click on it. After clicking, in a few seconds you can see your file has been uploaded in your repository. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create new repository in GitHub and upload your files. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.